Our latest state-of-the-art EMS device, the LGT 2320ME, features 12 channels dedicated to electrode pads and an additional channel designed for a mobile electrode applicator, significantly enhancing treatment efficiency and precision. To ensure client safety, it is also designed with a hand switch for emergency stop. The rotary knob makes the parameter adjustment easier, utilizing the potential of electrical muscle stimulation to offer convenient and efficient solutions for pain management and muscle recovery. Please also notice that there are certain conditions and situations where its use is contraindicated. First, set up the device. Connect the electrode pads with the lead wires. Then connect to the device. There is an arrow mark on the connector. Follow the arrow mark and insert into socket. Then tighten the screw. Place the electrode pads to the rack.
There are multiple types of applicator head for different treatment purpose.
Connect the another end of applicator wire to the device. Follow the arrow mark and insert into the socket. Then tighten the screw. Next, connect the hand switch. Follow the arrow mark and insert into the socket. Then tighten the screw. Then connect the power cord and press the power button to turn on the machine. You will see the screen light up. After the device is ready, preparing the patient for the treatment, clean the treatment site with 75% medical alcohol.
Apply the electrode pads to the skin. Make sure the pads are in close contact with the skin.
Now set a protocol to start a treatment. Before use, check if the hand switch works normally. First, bind the client profile. On the main page, click the Client List button and enter the password to visit the client list. In the Client List interface, you can add a new client profile, click Enter to bind it to the treatment. There are 2 channel groups for electrode pad treatment. Choose the right channel group according to the electrodes you attach to the patient. There are 2 treatment modes, Protocol Mode and Expert Mode. In the Protocol Mode interface, click the body part image to enter the protocol library. You'll find a wide range of preset protocols designed for different body areas and goals. Each protocol comes with electrode placement guidance and treatment guidance. Select a proper protocol according to the client's condition. Click Enter to enter the duration setting interface. Click the Start button to start the treatment. Then click the intensity boxes and adjust the intensity using the rotary knob. Start with a low intensity, gradually increasing to a comfortable level. Click the Export Mode button to customize parameters for the treatment. There are 4 frequency modulation modes, normal, sweep, random, and alternate. Adjust the parameters using the rotary knob. After completing the parameter setting, press the Start button to start the treatment. Then click the intensity boxes and adjust the intensity using the rotary knob. Start with a low intensity, gradually increasing to a comfortable level. During the treatment, the client would feel a gentle pulsing or tingling sensation. Monitor the client's comfort throughout the session. Adjust the intensity if needed to ensure they remain comfortable. The client can use the hand switch to stop the treatment when there is discomfort and any emergencies. Once the session is complete, the buzzer will sound 3 times. And the device returns to the pre-start state. Once the session is complete, carefully remove the electrodes. Finally, place electrodes back to the rack. Now, let's walk through how to use the applicator for more precise treatment. Clean the treatment site and where the electrode pad is placed. Pick up the applicator. Attach the electrode pad to the client. Apply gel on the treatment site. Choose the applicator channel to enter parameter setting interface. Adjust the parameters using the rotary knob. After completing the parameter setting, press the Start button to start the treatment. Press the Start button on the applicator to activate the applicator. Then click the intensity boxes and adjust the intensity using the rotary knob. Move the applicator around the treatment site. Monitor the client's comfort throughout the session. Once the session is complete, the buzzer will sound 3 times. And the device returns to the pre-start state. Carefully remove the electrode. And clean the client's skin and the applicator to remove any remaining gel. The client treatment data can be exported. Insert the USB to the USB port on the backside of the machine.
Then click the patient list. Enter the password.
Choose the client profile, press the Export button, wait for a few seconds to export the profile to the USB.